And he's hand holding a phone. It's got a headphone in it. I can see him talking. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm alright.
You having a nice phone call there with your friend?
Sorry?
Having a nice phone call there with your friend? Having a nice phone call with your friend?
Yeah.
Should you be doing that?
Of course.
Of course. Behind the wheels of a car, you think that's legal?
Well, it is legal when you're staying. When you drive.
When you're staying in the traffic, but you're driving.
No, I'm not.
Your engine's running.
I'm staying. I'm not driving.
But you are talking on the phone.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Thanks for admitting it. Have a good day. Don't do it because you're going to get reported now. You'll find it on YouTube. You'll find it on